Babo? You take a little babo. Thanksgiving is right around the corner.
Yes! It's so cool.
So this is JoJo.
Siwa?
No, not Siwa. Jojo.
그러면 캐치아이 마지막으로 인사 부탁드릴게요.
Someone said, how would you rate your friendship 1 out of 10?
My friendship.
I'm giving it a solid 1.5.
Really? That's
No.
That's too much.
I'm giving it.
Olivia sent us this cake, and she said to turn the camera on when we open it.
Olivia, why would you scare us like
Scorpio, Cancer, Aquarius, Capricorn, Cancer.
that's your roommate?
You're a Sagittarius.
Yes.
Okay, look at my heart.
I'm gonna break her nose, but not actually. It's fake.
We should let it all out.
Yeah, we should. No, wait, we should not.
Oh.
My bad.